Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this morning. I'm going to be cooking up some bacon. We're going to be using this 1922 to 1924 Wagner 9. And we're going to start out cold. We're going to take and put our bacon in, then we're going to start letting it cook. And we'll see how everything comes out. Alright guys, we got the bacon laying out. Of course, it's the best bacon in the world. It's ugly bacon. So pulled out a lot of pieces to add more of the meat. And then I was going to render down some of the fat. I've got a lot to do because I just found this package that I forgot that we had got. So I've got to get it cooked up in the next few days. So I'm going to take in cooking this one, and then I'm going to use this little one right here. This little GSW, made in Canada. We're going to use this one to get the pieces that were just all fat. Now, when I say all fat, I mean there's still some that's got little pieces on there. But holy moly, look at the size of this chunk that was in there. Instead of calling it bits and pieces, it should just be, slabs and chunks. So I'm going to take and get this started. I'm going to heat it up slow so that it'll take and start melting the fat down, and then I'll cook the bacon in the other one. Alright guys, looks like we are close to the point where we can pour off some of the grease on just the fat side. So we will pour some of that in there. I caught that little guy before he took off, and we'll let this render down some more. And this one over here is looking good. I put this at a lower temperature, so it's not going to heat up as fast as the other, but we'll get her all done. Alright guys, I've got all of that rendered down except for that one big piece. I took and threw the burnt pieces, or crispy pieces of the fat back in there. Cook it with the rest of this for a few minutes, and then I'll put the eggs in it. But we did good. I mean, got about maybe a ½ inch in there of bacon grease, so we'll clean that up and put that up. But we're pretty close to putting the eggs into this. Alright guys, got the eggs in, stirred it up just a little bit, let it sit, cook for a second or two, and then we'll start, spin it up, get it all scrambled together, and it should turn out pretty good. Alright guys, I'm going to take and call it now. We got the bacon done, we got the eggs done, everything is good, nothing sticking to it. We're going to take and put some cheese on it later for the girls, and they'll have their breakfast burritos. Hope everybody has a great day.